your procedure here to make sure that all these numbers are in place? I mean, what's the end game here? What are you trying to accomplish by getting these signatures and numbers?
Well, it's to make sure that unit's working properly, but it also gives the customer is paying out of their pocket their money that they work hard for. They wanted to make sure that they're getting their money's worth.
Right.
And if a technician is not filling out numbers that they can get a visual to see that the stuff was being checked, then they feel like, why'd I pay you that money if you're not giving me nothing for it?
When you have it in writing and they got signatures, I mean, that stuff holds up in court, don't it?
If they have another company come out there and give them a second opinion about something,
Right.
then they can compare their readings to what we provided them.
Because everybody's got an opinion about heat and air, don't they?
That's right.
You put 10 heat and air guys together, what have you got?
Kindergarten class is what you got.
Get your signatures, get documentation. It's just a good business practice.
Right.
We're not getting you to sign because we don't trust you. We're getting it signed just so we have trust and verification across the board for everybody.